Bam! This is power supply unit. Well, today we're going to talk about power supply units and why we shouldn't cheap out on them. Well, this here one is a cheap one. You see, colorful cables. Yeah, a mess. You don't want to do that in your sweet computer if you care about cable management and stuff. This one is not even 80 plus. Maybe, I don't know. Well, forget it. Next, this is a very acceptable one. This is a Corsair CX. You got some mesh, very translucent mesh. It's not modular, so forget about good cable management. You won't get that with this, but it's 80 plus bronze, so if you want a cheaper build, you got it. So inside this box I got the RM power supply unit from Corsair. A very good one, I might say. Good for your i5 Ryzen 5, mid-range GPU, 1060 like that. You can go higher on GPUs with this power supply unit, but it's a very balanced one, a very common one, and it blew up on me. Seriously, it blew up on me. During the night I was just fan curve adjusting and it blew. So that's a reason not to cheap out on power supply units. Because when it did, my computer, well, apart from the big boom or bam, that's power. Nothing really got damaged. My GPU is okay, my board is okay, everything working. That's the reason. So another reason not to cheap out on power supply units, it's because they have a very generous warranty. 10 years, I guess. Yeah, 10 years on Corsair and Seasonic. So I got mine for 5 years, most. Then I just took the snaps, sent them proof of purchase, and they sent me a prepaid RMA. Fantastic. I sent it, they sent it back. Oh, amazing. I wasn't expecting that. But, well, then again, I never got a blown up power supply unit. Some zip ties, cabling, modular, and there it is. Amazing. Refurbished. So, these out of the way, these out of the way. So you can see the difference between those pretty modular ones and non-modular ones. There are also semi-modular ones that had the mandatory cabling, and then the SATAs are modular something. Let's recap. So this is a modular one, a very common one. Go for it. This is an acceptable one. It doesn't have the 10-year warranty, still has some warranty, it's still 80 plus certified, good for cheap builds, but reliable ones, and go for it. Do not go for this one. Do not go for this one. If this one had blue inside my computer, game over. So let's see if it works. See that? Easy. Just read out the instructions written on the PSU and it's easy as this. And this again, 4+4 CPU, although this is an old board, so just 4. Just right. Easy. Maybe this one is better. Hello. Okay. Stealing the power. So, all or nothing. That's my power button right there. Well, it works. I'm happy. It blew up, it got back, and it's working again. Good one, Corsair. Oh, it still has power. For an old system, I mean. Power. Power. Oh, another cool feature on good power supplies. It has 0 decibel mode, so good for your game nights. So this concludes our very first video of this channel. I hope you like it. If you don't, sorry. Well, I really am sorry. I will try to improve over time. But do subscribe, follow, share, whatever. And that's it. Oh, next video we're going to do an unboxing. Oh, so cliche, an unboxing. Yeah, we're going to do an unboxing of a not so recent headset, but not so old. It's gone out for a year or so. I'm really eager to get them. My very old Sony ones are old, about 10 years old, I guess. So it's time to move on. And it's going to be a ROG, Republic of Gamers, Strix Go. It has wireless capabilities and low latency. Keep an eye for that. And see you soon. Now I have to find a free spot for this. Maybe. Hope it doesn't fall.